Today, I want to show you 10 online companies that's gonna pay you every single day. These are some of the best online companies. I went out there, I did some deep research, and I found the best online companies that's paying right now. So you want to pay close attention to this video and not miss one single website. And I really want to say this, there's no experience needed. Nope, you don't need to have special knowledge. You don't need to have a degree. You can work from your iPad, phone, computer, anywhere. If you can browse the internet, you're going to be able to do this. Now, with these 10 websites, I got something for everyone out there, as most of them are worldwide, while some of them are going to be for the US and Canada, but like I said, most of them are worldwide. Sit back, relax, and pay close attention. Now, I would like to give a shout out to my friend's YouTube channel called Next Level Finance. Check out my friend's new YouTube channel where she discusses affiliate marketing, making money online, and work from home opportunities. We really appreciate those that teaches other people to make money and help themselves and their families, especially in these hard times. Just check out her channel and I'll make sure that you'll learn a lot and, of course, make money online. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you the best and greatest platforms to be used to earn money real quick. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video until the end. And before we get into this brand new content, we release new ways to earn money online daily, and make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we drop a new method and be one of the first to have a chance to try it out. Leave a like and comment below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and we will reach more and more people. Now, before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and want to see more, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. So the first company that I have for you is called Genius. Now, a lot of you probably already know about this company and you've probably been on this website before, but you might have not known that you can actually start working for this company and get paid. That's right, you can work for this company and get paid. They have job openings right now. Now, what is Genius? Genius is a company that specializes in song lyrics. They serve music to over 100 million people every single month. And where you come into play is you're gonna be transcribing music for them. People like to come to this website when they want to know lyrics to their favorite song, or maybe they just want to know a little more about what an artist is saying inside of a song. And that's where you come into play. Like I said, you're going to be transcribing music for them and listening to music. You can be at home, you can be anywhere, you can be on a plane, and you can transcribe music and get paid. You can make anywhere from $15 up to $30 per hour doing these types of jobs. Now, I want to say that this is not one of those music apps that promise that they're gonna pay you thousands of dollars for downloading and listening to music. Nope, this is a real legitimate company that's been around for years and they do pay. So to get started with Genius, you want to go to this website. I'm gonna leave information to all these websites that I'll talk about in this video, but make sure you watch it first. So let's go to this website and you want to scroll down, and right here you want to click where it says Jobs. So if you look right here, you can see where it says current job openings. These are all the different jobs that they have available. They are president, vice president of people, executive assistant, recruiter, all these different jobs. But you're not looking for all that. You're looking for one job, and that's right here where it says Lyrics Associates. You want to click on that, and then you're going to go to this page right here. You can see that this is a remote job. You can read through this information here, the responsibilities, requirements, and then at the bottom right here is where you want to apply for the job, and then you want to click right here where it says Submit Application and get your job with Genius, and that's it. So let's move on to number 2. Now, number 2 is a website called InstaGC. This is a great company to work with. They've been in business since 2011. And they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and there are thousands of happy members inside this company making money every single day. What I like about InstaGC is they're absolutely for broke people, no questions asked. If you're absolutely broke, this is a great company to work with. The work isn't hard, you can get paid every single day and you can start for free. Matter of fact, you can get started with this company right here and make money literally in minutes after joining. Now, what is InstaGC? This right here is a paid to do website. If you look here, you can get paid for downloading apps. You can get paid for clicking on websites, doing surveys, tests, trials, and watching videos. Now that's just a few of the ways you can get paid, but you can also get paid by inviting people to come to this website for free. There are so many different ways to make money with InstaGC, and I'm gonna show you right here. So if you click here where it says other rewards, you can also choose to get paid with Bitcoin if you want, or you can choose PayPal. Now to join InstaGC, let me log out real quick. You're gonna go to this page right here, and all you do is submit this information right here. They're gonna send you an email. Verify that email and then log in and start earning. Now, to maximize your money, that's what you need to do. You can do all of these other different tasks and get paid, and you don't have to invite people, but if you want to grow your money to the top, that's what you want to do. But if you stick with me in this video, I got you covered on that. I got a website that will also show you how to invite thousands of people to this type of website and get you paid. Now, you don't even have to know these people. So stick with me through the rest of this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really love it if you guys tap the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and posted a comment down below. If we get 1,000 comments that say make money online on this video, we'll drop a crazy brand new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can make money just doing basic stuff like this. So comment make money online down below, and if you get 3,000 likes on this video, we'll drop a crazy brand new video that might be cooler than this. So comment make money online down below. Next week, we'll release a brand new video to show you how to make even more money online by completing simple tasks like this on your laptop. So let's get back to the video now. Okay, onwards to number 3. Now, this company right here is named textbot.ai, and you can make instant $100 commissions over and over and over. You can get paid through Cash App, which is super instant to get paid, or you can get paid through Venom. It's up to you how you want to choose to get your money. So what is textbot.ai? Textbot specializes in lead generation and marketing automation. What's that about? Well, this company has a software that can automatically text message and answer phone calls for businesses out there, and where you come in is you're going to be helping these businesses get their hands on this tool. And it's not going to be hard for you to do that, because if you stick with me through the rest of this video, I'm going to share a website which is one of the websites on this list. I'm going to help you do that automatically, and you're going to be getting paid $100 commissions over and over. All you have to do is just plug into that website that I'm going to share, plug this tool inside that website, and bam, you're going to make money. So to get started with this company, when you sign up, this is how much you can earn. Look here, and you can see right here that you can generate $100. Now, I'm going to take this website to a whole nother level, because this is the easiest $100 commissions that I've ever seen with any website. So yeah, sign up to TextBot, log into your back office, complete all the steps, and you're going to be set up and ready to go. The fourth website that I have on this list for you is a company called Crowdsurf. Now, Crowdsurf is a transcriptionist company. You can get paid with this company by typing out what you hear. If you can listen to audios, if you can listen to videos, if you can listen to conversations, then you're going to be able to do this. Crowdsurf works with thousands of people with little to no experience. If you have experience, great. If you don't have experience, then that's okay too, because this company will give you all the training and support you need to make money. Like I said, all you'll be doing is listening to conversations, listening to videos, typing out what you hear. It's a pretty easy job to do. But let's just say you can't type. Well, you can also use the voice-to-text feature on Google Docs. You can actually speak what you hear, but I know most of you are going to be able to do this in order for you to get started. First, if you want to learn more, you can click right here, so you can read about this opportunity. You can watch this video right here, but if you're ready to get started, you can click up here if you're in the US or Canada, but if you're international, you can click right here and get involved. So yeah, check out this website, great company to work with. Moving on, number 5 is a company called superpay.me. Now, Superpay is another get paid to do website, and like I mentioned before, these are great companies to work with if you're broke, and if you don't have any money, I suggest you start with these types of website first, because you can get paid with no experience, you can start for free, and you can get paid on the same day. If you look right here, you can see that SuperPay has paid out well over $4 million to their members. You can receive your funds through PayPal, Tango Card, Amazon, Skrill. You can even withdraw your money with Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin is kind of a big thing right now, so if you want to do that, then that's an option right here. Now, what you'll be doing with SuperPay is simple. You'll either be watching videos, doing different tasks, or taking surveys, or you can get paid by inviting people to sign up for free. So, to get started with superpay.me, you simply click right here where it says Join Free Today. Fill out your information, then confirm your email, and you're going to be able to log in, and back office is going to look like this right here. That's all you have to do. And so, let me know in the comments, what are you going to do with this first 5 incredible sites that you can earn money without any experience on? Are you going to use Genius, InstaGC, TextBot, CrowdSurf, or SuperPay? Let me know down in the comments section, and please watch the second part of this video where I will share with you the next 5 super easy and amazing websites that will help you in these hard times, even if you're broke and have no money to invest in. You can do this at home to learn how to use all of these websites to create traffic and earn thousands of dollars. So watch the second part of this video tutorial and learn more about them. Also, don't forget to check out our friend's new YouTube channel called Next Level Finance, where she discusses affiliate marketing, making money online, and work from home opportunities. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you take action. Don't let your mind control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. That's the end of this video. If you made it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is just like my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money-making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.
We'll be right back.